Welcome. This tutorial will show you how to activate your USB adapter license. Some of expressthermo's features require an adapter whose license has been activated. The activation process needs to be performed only once, and as soon as it's completed, you'll be able to fully use your adapter along with expressthermo for Windows 10, on any computer or tablet. In case you haven't activated your adapter before, when you connect it, an activation dialog like this will show. If you only want to use expressthermo's basic features, you can dismiss this activation prompt, so you won't see it when you launch expressthermo or connect the USB adapter. Press the Ignore Adapter button for this. You won't see this request anymore whenever you connect this USB adapter. If later you decide to activate this USB adapter, just open the Advanced Settings page and delete it from the list, using the Delete button here. The next time you connect this USB adapter, the activation request will show. To activate an USB adapter, please note that an internet connection is required, as well as a license ID. This license ID should have been supplied to you, along with the USB adapter when you purchased it. We suggest you check your adapter's invoice or an information email from your supplier, for a pattern resembling this one. Once you've got your license ID, just enter it in this box. Dashes will be placed automatically, so you don't have to enter them. Let's enter a license ID and press Activate. expressthermo will now contact the activation server to activate the USB adapter license. Once the activation request is successfully completed, you'll see a success message along with the license ID that you should keep for future reference. Let's close this dialog. You can now use expressthermo full features. This completes the tutorial about activating your USB adapter license. Thank you for watching. Please check the expressthermo support site or the YouTube channel for more tutorials.